100 employees or more. That applies to a lot of companies right here in the metro area, and on a national scale, these actions are poised to impact 2/3 of the American workforce. Here at Henry Ford Health System, they already implemented a vaccine mandate. It actually takes effect today, and as you may remember, it has sparked a lawsuit. And as companies locally and around the state begin to grapple with how these changes will impact them, many are likely to challenge them as well.
Many of us are frustrated with the nearly 80 million Americans who are still not vaccinated, even though the vaccine is safe, effective, and free.
In a move to push vaccinations forward, the Biden administration, via executive action, will require all federal employees, contractors, and healthcare workers to be vaccinated. The president is also leaning on the private sector. The Department of Labor will require private companies of 100 employees or more to mandate vaccinations or require weekly testing.
You've got to give them an off lane. And the off lane is if you get tested frequently enough and find out you're positive, you won't come to work and you won't infect other people. So it really is somewhat of a compromise there.
Tech giants like Facebook, Google, and Twitter have already issued vaccine mandates. But this latest executive action will impact Michigan-based companies too, like the Big Three and rocket companies, to name a few. Despite Governor Whitmer stopping short of requiring vaccines for state workers, Michigan Republicans have already taken steps to preemptively ban vaccine mandates. President Biden's latest executive orders are part of his new COVID-19 strategy, which includes a 6-pillar approach to combating the Delta variant spread by vaccinating the unvaccinated, further protecting the vaccinated via booster shots, keeping schools open, increasing testing and requiring masks, protecting the economic recovery, and improving care for those battling the virus. And we did reach out to Governor Whitmer's office for a comment to the president's new plan and these executive actions. We have not heard back. We, of course, though, are expecting a lot of reactions statewide to this later on today.
Now, Jen, challenges to this in court are expected. What legal precedent exists here, if any?
Yeah, well, this summer, Alicia, the DOJ did issue an opinion, and it maintained that employers do have a right to issue vaccine mandates, and that would apply to colleges and universities. But that opinion has not stopped the litigation on that, which we've seen at the state and local level.
Well, speaking of Henry Ford implementing its mandate today, what impact is that lawsuit from workers there expected to have?
Well, the health system has remained pretty consistent on this. It says that this latest vaccine mandate is in line with its previous vaccine mandates for things like the flu, measles, mumps, rubella, etc. And the health system did give us a statement. They say, quote, "We remain confident that vaccination is the most powerful tool we have against the COVID-19 pandemic. Beyond that, we cannot comment on pending litigation." So obviously a lot more to come on that front. And again, that mandate takes effect today. We've already seen workers protest it. Alicia?
We'll see what happens. Thank you for that live update, Jen.